In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your Shopify store link quickly and easily. Sharing your store URL helps customers, friends, and followers visit your online shop directly. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, navigate to your store homepage. This is your main control center where you manage products, orders, themes, and store settings. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several options related to your Shopify store configuration. Now click on Domains. This section contains all the domains connected to your Shopify store, including your primary store URL. Once the domains page opens, you'll see your current Shopify domain listed at the top. This may be your custom domain or your default Shopify domain ending in .myshopify.com. Click on the domain if needed to view more details. Now highlight and copy the full store URL. On Windows, you can copy it using Ctrl+C. On Mac, you can use Command+C. Your Shopify store link is now copied and ready to share. You can paste the link into social media posts, emails, messages, bios, or anywhere you want customers to visit your store. Sharing your store link regularly can help increase traffic, improve visibility, and attract more potential buyers to your Shopify website. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share your Shopify store link. Thanks for watching and goodbye.